All of you, in the previous class we are solving the questions of chapter 3-dimensional geometry. Now today we will see some other questions of this chapter and we will solve it. So let another question is, so that the line this and this are intersect and also find the point of intersection. We have to given two lines, x plus 1 by 3 is equal to y plus 3 by 5 is equal to z plus 5 by 7 and x minus 2 by 1 is equal to y minus 4 by 3 is equal to z minus 6 by 3. We have to given these two equations and we have to show that these both lines are intersect and find the point of intersection of these two lines. So if the two lines are intersect each other, then there will be some intersection point. They will intersect at a single point. So let that point is P which is alpha, beta and gamma. Okay. So let this is first line and this is second line. Okay. So let the point P is the intersection point. So if this is intersection point of these both lines, it means that this point satisfies these both equations. Okay. This point satisfies this both equations. Okay. So it means that this line, this point passes through this line, so we satisfy this line. So we write, so equation 1 becomes when this alpha, beta, gamma lies on first, then it becomes what? Alpha plus 1 by 3, beta plus 3 by 5, gamma plus 5 by 7. Okay? We can write this. Now we will suppose this is what? Lambda. Now we will find the value of alpha, which is equal to 3 lambda minus 1, beta which is equal to 5 lambda minus 3, gamma which is equal to 7 lambda minus 5. There are 3 points, okay, and which is lie on that both line, because these both lines, this is the point of intersection of these two. So this is now this point also satisfied this line. So we write what? This alpha, beta, gamma again lies on second equation. So we write what? Alpha minus 2 by 1, beta minus 4 by 3, gamma minus 6 by 3. Okay. So we write this. Now we know that the value of alpha, beta and gamma. So we put here. When we put, we get 3 lambda minus 1 minus 2 by 1 is equal to beta is 5 lambda minus 3 minus 4 by 3. Gamma is 7 lambda minus 5 minus 6 by 3. Okay. So 3 lambda minus 3 by 1, this is equal to 5 lambda minus 7 by 3 this is equal to 7 lambda minus 11 by 3. So this is our equation. What? 3 lambda minus 3 by 1, 5 lambda minus 7 by 3, and 7 lambda minus 11 by 5. There are 3 parts: first, second, and third part. Okay. Now we will take this first and second, and then we find the value of lambda. Again we take second and third, and we will find the value of lambda. Okay. Now if these both line intersect each other at a point, it means that the lambda will be same. So we will find the value of lambda taking first and second part. We get what? 3 lambda minus 3 by 1 is equal to 5 lambda minus 7 by 3. Okay. Now multiply both. We get 9 lambda minus 9 is 5 lambda minus 7. 9 minus 5, 4 lambda is equal to 9 minus 7 is 2. So lambda is 1 by 2. Now we take second and third part, and we get 5 lambda minus 7 by 3. This is equal to 7 lambda minus 11 by 3. We cross multiply with this, we get 21 lambda minus 33. This is equal to 15 lambda minus 21. And we get 21 minus 15 is 6 lambda is equal to 33 minus 21. This is 12. The third part is 5 lambda minus 7 by 3, 7 lambda minus 11 by 3. So we get what? After solving these, in the third part, in the question there is 5. Okay, so we write what? We will change this. This is first part, no change. This is second part. Here we write 5, and this will be 5. This will be again 5, and this will be 5. So when we will multiply this, we get 25 and 35, and this will be when we send this. Okay, so 3 7 is 21. Here will be what? Now we multiply, we write 25 lambda minus 35 is equal to 21 lambda minus 33. Now we will subtract this, we get 4 lambda, and this will be 2, and lambda is 1 by 2. So in both cases we are seeing that the lambda is 1 by 2. So in both cases lambda is 1 by 2. So line intersect at a point. So line will be what? Intersect at a point, and what that point will be what? We will put the value of lambda in the general point of the line is what? We are going to write 3 by 2 minus 1 and 5 by 2 minus 3 and 7 by 2 minus 5, which is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. So this will be our point what? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, which is our intersection point. So we have to given two equations, first and second, and we have to show that these two lines intersect each other. Okay. and find the point of intersection. This is our question. So what we will do, we have taken first what the intersection point. Our the intersection point is alpha, beta, gamma is the intersection point, which is known as the point P. So if this is intersection point, then this point lies on the first line also and second line. So it will lies on both lines. So we write first that this satisfies the first line. So we write alpha, beta and gamma, and we will find the general coordinate of that line. Alpha is 3 lambda minus 1 after cross multiplication we write, and beta is 5 lambda minus 3 and gamma is 7 lambda minus 5. This will be our general point. Now we know that this point again satisfies the second line because this is the intersection point of both lines. So we write for second line, we write lambda minus 2 by 1, beta minus 4 by 3 and gamma minus 6 by 5. And you know the alpha beta value of alpha beta gamma is 3 lambda minus 1, 5 lambda minus 3, 7 lambda minus 5. So we will substitute this value in this equation. We get that 3 lambda minus 3 by 1, 5 lambda minus 7 by 3, 7 lambda minus 11 by 5. So this is first, second and third part. Now we will solve these three parts and we will find the value of lambda. So we will taking first and second part. After cross multiplication we are getting lambda is 1 by 2. Okay. Now we are solving second and third part. Again we are seeing that our lambda is 1 by 2 after cross multiplication. So in both cases we are getting lambda is 1 by 2. Hence these two lines intersect at the same point because our lambda is same. So now we will find the intersection point. So we will put this lambda in the general coordinate, which is 3 lambda minus 1, 5 lambda minus 3, 7 lambda minus 5. When we will put the value of lambda here, we will get 3 by 2 minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 3, 7 by 2 minus 5. And after solving this, we get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. This will be our what? Point of intersection of these two lines. Okay. I hope you understand. This is very, very important question from examination point of view. Okay. See the next question. Our next question is find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line passing through the point 2, 1, 3. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line passing through the point 2, 1, 3 and perpendicular to the line x minus 1 by 1 is equal to y minus 2 by 2 is equal to z minus 3 by 3. 3 by 3 and x by minus 3 y by 2 and z by 5. We have to find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line which is passing through 2, 1, 3 and perpendicular to the line this and line this. Okay. So first we will find the equation of line passing through this point will be what? X minus 2 by A is equal to y minus 1 by B is equal to z minus 3 by C, where A, B, C are direction ratio. So let the equation of line passing through the point 2, 1, 3 is what? X minus 2 by A is equal to y minus 1 by B, z minus 3 by C. This will be the equation of line which is passing through 2, 1, 3. Okay. So this is our equation number first, and this line is perpendicular to the equation second and equation third. Okay, this is perpendicular to the second equation, and if the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then we know that the condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is 0. Okay, so we'll write here, since line 1 is perpendicular to the line second, so we write what? A plus 2b plus 3c is equal to 0. Okay, now this line 1 is again perpendicular to the line 3, so we will write what? And line 1 is perpendicular to the line third also, so we write again a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Okay, so let's write, and minus 3a plus 2b plus 5c is equal to 0. Now this is equation number 4, and this is equation number 5. Now we will find the equation 4 and 5. We will solve these two equations and we will find the value of a, b and c. Okay, so let solving from 4 and 5, we are going to solve. We write a by, this will be height, 5 to the 10 minus 2 to the 6, and this will be height b by minus 9 and minus 5, and c will be height, will be height 2 plus 6. Okay, after solving we get what? We write a by 4, b by minus 14 and c by 8. Okay, now we will take, this is equal to any constant. Okay, so our a will be what? So our a will be equal to 4k. Okay, and b will be equal to minus 14k, and c is equal to 8k. Okay, a is equal to 4k, and b is equal to minus 14k, and c is equal to 8k. Now we will put the value of a, b, c. We will put this value in the equation number first. Now we write, putting value of, putting a, b, c in equation first, we get x minus 2 by 4k, y minus 1 by minus 14k, and z minus 3 by c, that is 8k. Okay, now we write this, x minus 2 by 4, y minus 1 by minus 14, z minus 3 by 8. Okay, this will be what? This will be the equation of line which is perpendicular to that line second and perpendicular to line third. Okay, now this is the Cartesian equation of the line. Okay, now the vector equation of the line will be what? We will write r is equal, we will write in the form of r is equal to a plus lambda b, where a is the point by which it is passing through. So point is 2, 1, 3. Okay, So R is equal to 2I plus J plus 3K plus lambda B is what? 4I minus 14J plus 8K. So we'll write the vector equation of line will be R is equal to A plus lambda B, where B is the direction, so 4I minus 14J plus 8K. Now this will be what? Our vector equation, 2I plus J plus 3K and plus lambda 4I minus 14J plus 8K. Okay, this will be our vector equation. So what we have done in this question, we have to given the question that a line is passing through, find the equation of the line which is passing through 2, 1, 3 and perpendicular to the line this and this. So we have first write the equation of line passing through the point 2, 1, 3, which is what? X minus 2 by A, Y minus 1 by B, Z minus 3 by C. This is our equation number first. Okay. Now we know that we have to given in the question that this line is perpendicular to the second line and third line. So we know that if the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. So we write here this is what? A and 2B and 3C is equal to 0. And again this line first is perpendicular to the third line. So we write minus 3A 2B 5C is equal to 0. Now we will solve this equation number 4 and 5. After solving we get A by, this will be height and multiply 10 minus 6 and B again this will be height, so minus 9 minus 5 and C will be what? 2 minus 6 minus 1 is plus 6. Okay, so our A and B and C will be what? In the form of 4K, B is equal to 14K, C is equal to 8K. Now we will put this value in the equation first. Here we get 4K minus 14K and 8K. Now when we multiply the equation with K, our K will be removed. So X minus 2 by 4, Y minus 1 by minus 14, Z minus 3 by 8. Now this is our equation, Cartesian equation. And if you want, we can divide also with 2. Okay. Here will be multiplied by 2. So we get 2 minus 7, 4 also. Either we can write this. Okay. Now then our vector equation will be what? Our vector equation is in the form of R is equal to A plus lambda B. A is point and B is the direction. So here point is 2, 1, 3. So we write 2I plus J plus K, 3K, and our direction will be 4I minus 14J plus 8K. Okay, it will be our answer. I hope you understand. Question is, find the point on the line x plus 2 by 3 is equal to y plus 1 by 2 is equal to z minus 3 by 2 at a distance 3 root 2, distance 3 root 2, and the point is 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have to find the point on the line this. We have to find the point. Okay, find the point on the line this, which is at a distance of 3 root 2 from this point. So we first suppose that this is our lambda. Okay, now we will find any general point on this line will be what? X plus 2, x is equal to 3 lambda minus 2, y is equal to 2 lambda minus 1, and z is equal to 2 lambda plus 3. So the point 3 lambda minus 2, 2 lambda minus 1, 2 lambda plus 3 is a general point on this line, which is at a distance of 3 root 2 from this point. So we will use the distance formula, which is, suppose that this is point A and this is B. So the distance of AB is given 3 root 2. So AB is what? 3 root 2. So we will write under root what? We will write AB square is equal to whole square, this, okay. Now what we will write? AB square is 3 lambda minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus 2 lambda minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus 2 lambda plus 3 minus 3 whole square is equal to 9 to the 18. Okay. We will write this in the form. Now, what we will write? Here 3 lambda minus 3 whole square plus 2 lambda minus 3 whole square, and this will be cancelled. We write 4 lambda square is equal to 18. Now we will further solve it and expand. So a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus 18 lambda, again a square plus b square minus 12 lambda plus 4 lambda square is equal to 18. Now we will solve it, and after solving, what we get? 9 lambda square, 4 13, and 4 17 lambda square, and this is minus 18 and minus 12. Okay, so minus 13 lambda, it will be what? Minus 30 lambda, and the constant 9 and 9 18, and this will be 18 is equal to 18, so it will be cancelled. So we get 17 lambda, 17 lambda minus 30 is equal to 0. So lambda is 0 and lambda is 30 by 17. Now we have to find the point. For finding the point, we will put the value of lambda in the general coordinate. 3 into lambda is what? 0 minus 2, and 2 into 0 minus 1, 2 into 0 plus 3, that is 0, minus 2, minus 1 and 3. First coordinate is minus 2, minus 1, 3. Now the second, again, if we are taking lambda is, if lambda is 0, if lambda is 30 by 17, then we get 3 into 30 by 17 minus 2, comma 2 into 30, 60 by 17 minus 1, 60 by 17 plus 3, okay, it will be 90. So 90 minus 34 by 17, 60 minus 17 by 18, 60 plus by 17, okay. Now it will be 56 by 17 and 43 by 17 and 1 by 17. It will be our answer. So the point will be what? On the line from which the distance from A will be 3 root 2. So what we have done? We have taken AB, which is equal to 3 root 2 whole square. Okay? And AB square is equal to this, because we will find the distance between the 2 points. Okay, this is the general point. So the distance between 2 points, we know that distance formula: x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square is equal to, this will be 18. Now it will be written as in this form, and we will a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square b square minus 2ab, and will be cancelled, we get this. Now when we will solve it, we get lambda is 0, lambda is this. Now we will get the 2 point of lambda. First will be when we will put this point in the general value, we get this, and when we will put second point, we get this. Okay, this will be our coordinate. Okay, thank you.